today I'm going to be doing a video on this wig. I can do a lot, guys. It's not coming off. Like, I can pull on it, I can go on a roller coaster, and this wig is not moving, okay? Some wigs you have to line up the part and do all of that blending and stuff. This kind of wig with bangs, you don't have to do that, which is why I wanted to introduce this one to you as a wig for beginners. I just took it out the box, put it on my head, and flat ironed it. No blending, no complications, nothing. So this is the wig. This is what it comes like out of the box. And I'm gonna show you guys how to wear it out of the box. So obviously I can't wear the wig out of the house like this. Obviously, this is not cute. Flat ironing is a great way to get your hair to go where you want it to go without washing it or anything. And this hair is flat ironable. So this is what it looks like when it's flat ironed. This is not. But yeah, that's it, guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed that. If you guys have any questions, let me know and I will try to answer them in the comments. Ask me anything, guys. I want to help you guys out before you make your first purchase. So if you are a beginner and you want to try a wig out for yourself, I would suggest going to MyFirstWig.com and getting your life. But that's it. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.